Hello traders, on my previous video I drew up on this channel on how profitable traders trade volatility 75. There's a demand on it that can it be used for boom and crash, and the answer is capital yes, because trend work in every market. In every form of market you may be trading, trend work, you understand. Even in our real life, trend work. You may see sometimes you continue, your business will be giving you good profits, and sometimes the market, the business will dull. So it's a trend. Impulse move retest. That's how life is being built. So pardon me for that. So when it comes to trading, trend is general something. When it comes to financial market, it works in all financial markets, both forex, crypto, stock, indices, any form of financial market. You understand? Trend work. So how do you trade this with full boom and crash? You understand? You know what I explained in the previous video, that the market move in this way. So if we confirm too low in the uptrend, that make the trend a very valid. So same thing applicable to here now. So if we shrink this chart now, we have a very long time trend. You understand? You can see, but as a day trader I don't need this long time trend. You understand? So I want to look deep into the market to find too low that just make a trend valid one. First of all, let me use this as an example. You can see that I can find this too low now. You understand? So let us zoom. I pick that too low out. So you see this, when this third touch happen, so I will have make money for myself. You understand? So once you are using this third touch, the charger should be the immediate high. When you are buying, the charger should be the immediate high, and you see that it got to TP. That is how simple it is. Now I have another trend, so that is valid to me, which is this. You understand? So this is another trend that is valid to me. So I'll patiently be waiting on 15 minutes time frame that price should come to this trend line, then I'm going to buy straight. You understand? So trend work on all the markets. Trend work, just make sure that the first and second low is aligned. That's what valid the trend, the distance. Then you should be preparing for your entry at the third touch. You understand? So it's still valid here, another touch here, then it's break here. You understand? So it may hit your stop loss here, because if you try to buy it is stop loss and then it goes. I told you the other time that good strategy started from 60%. Most profitable traders we know, they only have 60% accuracy with their strategy. They have 60% results from the market. There is no one with 90%. No one with 90%. So you don't expect the strategy to be working every time. So it has the time it will be lagging. But trend is one of the way they have been approaching the market for a very long time, from inception, since the trading has started, like since they have launched technical analysis, especially the candlestick, even with line chart or bar chart, the market is still respecting trend. So trends work. What you should take note of, that before trend is valid, you have connect too low or you must connect too highs. That's what's valid the trend. Once you take that at the back of your mind, you'll be able to be seeing the immediate trend in the market. So you don't have to go for a long time trend, because you're a day trader. Your decision will be open and closed during that day. So if you are a swing trader now, that is when you need a very long time information about the market. So trend works, and that is how it works. The first move, second move, and the third move should give you money. So guys, I wish you happy trading and always trade responsibly. Please go to your chart, confirm this is a pure price action, is not an indicator that is lagging. So you understand, so look out for it, demo trade it. Yes, demo trade it to confirm that it's working. Demo trade it. So if you are new to this channel, click on subscribe button. So if you are a returning subscriber, like and drop your comment under the comment section. I will reply you. Someone said I don't like replying comments. It's not like that. If any comment that appears to be a question, I always attend to it. You understand? I always attend to it. So don't hesitate to drop your comments. I will reply your comments. I wish you happy trading.